Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. 5 daily reminders. Number 1, you are amazing. Number 2, you can do anything. Number 3, positivity is a choice. Number 4, you celebrate your individuality. And number 5, you are prepared to succeed. This is just a little reminder for you. There is so much negativity in this world, so it's a good time to share the good vibes when we can. Yes, you are amazing. Yes, you can do anything. Yes, you are always positive. And you are truly a unique individual. You are so well prepared to succeed in everything that you choose to do, and just because I might be the only person to tell you all of this today, that doesn't mean you take anything away from how incredible you truly, really are.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.